I live in Zone 7 and we've already had several nights with temperatures below freezing, down to -3 degrees Celsius or 26 degrees Fahrenheit. But during the day it's still quite warm, between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius or 50 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So last month I planted a few seeds and I'll show you how they are doing with the low temperatures at night. The first one is green peas. It's dwarf gray sugar pea pod variety. I planted it for the shoots, which are also edible and can be harvested much earlier than the pods. But since the weather is cooperating for now, I might even get the pods. The second one is radishes, which seem not to be forming the desired roots, but that's okay, because the leaves are also edible. In fact, radish leaves have more protein, calcium, vitamin C and antioxidants than the roots. Like other leafy greens, radish leaves also contain high levels of iron. The third one is arugula, which has temperatures tolerance of -2 degrees Celsius or 28 degrees Fahrenheit, grows very fast, and you can harvest the leaves as needed, so it's perfect for late fall. They were all covered with boxes just for the nights with the temperatures below freezing and uncovered during the day. The first nights they were out in the open, but then they were moved by the wall into a sunny spot. And here I'm expecting them to survive till December with occasional night covering.